Loans can be a life changer, but they can also trap you into a circle of the endless debt. Many Kenyans are stuck in repaying loans with a crazy interest rate, struggling to escape the debt circle. But today I will show you how to borrow smartly and avoid loan trap that could ruin your financial future. Okay, now let's dive in. Before we dive in, click the subscribe buttons, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Whenever we are producing a video touches on finance, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. Now let's look at these signs of falling into a loan trap. You may be having loans, but you have not realized that these signs are really making you to fall into the loan trap. We need to know, before we talk solution, let's now see their risk. If you are at its risk. Okay, the risk number one, that you need taking new loan to repay the old loan. You may take, like, you have borrowed from Fuliza to pay branch, or you have taken Fuliza to pay Mshwari, then get a Tala loan to repay the branch loan. This is a dangerous debt spiral that may just lingering around your lifestyle. Okay, paying more interest than the loan itself. Let me say that you have borrowed Kenyan shilling 10,000, but the time you clear, you have paid Kenyan shilling 18,000. This happened with the high interest mobile loans, like branches and any other mobile digital money lending apps that they accrue high interest rate. Salary come in, debt take it all. That's a very dangerous sign that you are in falling into a debt trap, whereby when your salary comes in, then all goes to repay the debt. If more than 40% of your income goes to repay the loan, you are overwhelmed. And if you relate to any of this, don't worry. Okay, now let's fix it now. Ways to avoid loan trap. So here is how to make control and escape the debt circle. Avoid high interest mobile loan. We now have app like Tala, branches, and Fuliza charges high interest rate. Instead, consider circle loans or bank credit with a lower interest. Yeah, borrow for investment, not lifestyle. Most people take loans for their birthday, takes loan for vacations, takes even loan for December holidays, but never take a loan for shopping, vacation, or party. Only borrow for things that grow you wealth. Yeah, like business, education, or you can also opt to invest in real estate. Follow the 35% rule. You realize that your total debt repayment should never exceed 35% of your monthly income. If it exceeds 35% of your monthly income, then know that you are at the very dangerous state as your financial debt is. You have now to do something and get out of this circle that you might be in. Have an emergency fund. You may realize that most of this loan that people have, they are due to the emergencies that they get in their life. Umetulia, you get an emergency life, sickness, unexpected expenses just rise from nowhere. So what you need to do, ensure that you have an emergency kit. You realize that this emergency, it will cater for your expenses for 3 to 6 months, so that when you find that your job has just ended, or you are now jobless, kazi imeisha abruptly, you can still be in a sustainable mode for the next half a year, so that at this period you will be looking for another job. Okay, compare loan before borrowing. You have to compare loan before borrowing. Check the interest rate and repayment terms and hidden fee charges before signing anything. The loan template is very tiny. Ensure that you read it and take time to go through all the requirements that they need before taking any loan. If you're already deep in debt, prioritize clearing the high interest loan first before going to this small interest loan that you may have. Now, the smart alternative to mobile loans. Before going to mobile loans, let's now have this another alternative. So, okay, join a circle. A circle give you a very low interest loan plus dividends that you may require. Have a side hustle and extra cash instead of borrowing. Then emergency savings. Save little for each month to avoid debt crisis. Loan can help you or they can destroy you. It all depends on how you use them. And if this video has helped you, hit that like buttons, drop a comment and subscribe for more personal financial tips. Have you ever struggled with loan? Share your experience in comments below. Watch the next video that is talking about the finance. Bye bye.